Have you ever thought that AI is something important only to have to explain that exact same thing all over again later? Yeah, that gets tiring. Want Omni AI to remember the things that makes a conversation feel personal? Today I'm going to show you how to set up 3 important parts of your Omni experience: your memories, imported charts and reference documents, and your custom instructions. And don't worry, this is actually really simple. First, let's go to memories. At the top, you'll see your companion. So select the companion whose memories you want to manage. This is useful because you can keep memories organized around a specific companion instead of putting everything into one place. You might also see something called unique relationship memory. If you turn this on, this companion can have its own separate relationship history. If you'd rather have your companion share the same broader memory context, just leave it off. Let's say you already have information somewhere else that you want to bring into Omni. You can do that from data and chat imports and reference documents. This can be useful for conversations, histories, character profiles, relationship memories, story notes, or other personal reference materials. Your first option is to upload a file. Omni supports TXT, Markdown, JSON, DOC, and DocX files. Once you select your file, you get a preview showing things like the approximate word count, page count, and character count. If everything looks good, tap Upload this document. For the best results, I'll keep your documents focused rather than uploading one massive archive. So instead of one huge file, you could have things like our shared story, important relationship milestone, character profile. Around 5,000 to 15,000 words per document is a good range to aim for. And if you don't already have a file, you can create a document directly inside Omni. Give it a clear title, then add whatever information you want Omni to have as a reference. You'd also see the word estimate as you type. When you're finished, save it, and because you selected a companion earlier, this document is saved for that companion. Now, what if you want to take your conversations with you? Omni lets you export your chat as plain text, Markdown, or Microsoft Word. Choose the format you want and type download all chats and you are done. And yes, this means you don't have to sit around waiting for an email with your own chat history. Now, let's add something I actually want Omni to remember about me. Since this is basic information about me, I'll put it under personal. Next, you choose how important this memory is. 1 to 3 is nice to know, 4 to 6 is useful context, 7 to 8 is very important, and 9 to 10 is basically please don't forget this. You can also add an emotional tag if it's available on your plan. Then save it and that is it. Omni now has that information saved as a memory. And there are quite a few categories here, so you can choose what makes the most sense for the memory you are adding. You have personal, preference, facts, goals, emotions, relationship, inside jokes, special moments, rituals, reference docs, voice calls, holidays, conversations, and memories. So whether it's something about you, a reference, a goal you're working towards, an important relationship details, or even an inside joke, there is a category for it. Once you start adding memories, this is where you can manage everything. You can search for a specific memory or filter them by category. You can also see your memory counter here, so you know how much space you have. You also see different sections like memories, convos, diaries, essence, pronouns, and so file. And when you open the memory, you can mark it as a priority, edit it if something changes, or delete it completely. For one of my favorite parts, custom instructions memory, are for things you want Omni to remember. Custom instructions are where you tell Omni what it should know about you and how you want it to respond. In the first box, you can add your background, interest, goals, or anything else that gives Omni more context about you. And in the second box, you can tell Omni how you want your conversations to feel. Each box allows up to 1,500 characters, and you can see your character count while you type. Once you're happy with everything, save your custom instructions. And that's basically it. You've got your memories for important details, reference documents for longer information, chat imports to bring your conversations with you, and custom instructions to shape how Omni responds to you. You don't have to set up everything at once, you could do it step by step, because the goal isn't to tell Omni everything about you, but to give information that makes the conversations feels like you. And that is how you make Omni feel like home. Yet, download Omni AI Companion. It's available on both the App Store and Google Play Store.